This is Amanpreet Kaur from Guru Nanak Dev University and I'm a legal intern at Lexens and Company. So the purpose of today's video is basically to get to know about consumers' right, and we'll also get to know about Consumers Protection Act and also the redressal systems. So let's start with the topic. So consumer rights as per Consumer Protection Act 1986, it provides consumer rights to prevent consumers from fraud or any specified unfair practices. These rights ensures that consumer can make better choices in the marketplace and get help with the complaints. So right to safety is the first one, which means consumers have the right to be protected against the products and services which are hazardous to their health, life or property. The requirement from products and services also comes under this, that is the quality, quantity and reliability, and also the performance. It should be ensured in the products and services provided by the sellers. For example, electrical appliances without ISI mark may cause serious injuries. While offering iron into the market, the use of iron should be mentioned with that product. So the other five consumer protection rights are, we can say, right to get information. It is very important as this is an act to give for setting out the practical management of right to information for citizens to acquire the data under control of public jurisdictions in order to develop clarity and responsibility in the working of every public authority, the organization of a central information commission, and we can say state information. Then comes, that is the right to choose. So the meaning of right to choose as per the Consumer Protection Act 1986 is that the right to be assured wherever possible or to have any access to a variety of goods and services at a competitive prices. The other is the right to be heard, as it is a legal right of every person. So this right says that the complaints of the customers should be understood by the seller, and it is also allowed to them to be heard before the session and the consumer panels. Right to be heard is one of the, we can say, rights granted to consumers by the Consumer Protection Act only. So then comes that right to seek redressal. It is also very important against the illegal trade system or unfair exploitation of consumers. It also involves the right to a reasonable settlement of legitimate complaints to the consumer. They should be well aware of their rights and must execute them. Then comes the right to consumer education. We can say this right is to obtain the knowledge and skill to be an acquainted consumer throughout life. Ignorance of consumers, especially of rural consumers, is chiefly accountable for the exploitation. They should be well aware of their rights and must execute them. Then comes the importance of Consumer Protection Act, or we can say from the consumer point of view, why is it so important? So we can say that it basically shapes consumers, that as we know that Indian consumers are not well organized and vendors exploit them easily, so basically they shape them. Then comes that most of the consumers is clueless and have no information about the product they are buying, so this might cause some losses, and it ensures the physical safety of those. Some products are adulterated and can hamper consumer health, so they need to be protected. Then other comes that it avoids monopoly. We all know that irrespective of different restrictions, many organization follows monopoly practice and consumers get influenced and should be protected. So the other thing is malpractices. Company pursues biased trade practices and unlawful trade practices, and this protection plays a crucial role in that. So the next we'll talk about misleading advertisements. So many enterprises or intentionally, or companies intentionally trick consumers through incorrect or deceptive advertisements. This act will shield consumers from getting so much exploited through those manipulations. The other is education about the basic rights. So most consumers, we can say, ignore or do not know about their rights. The Consumer Protect Act educates them and secures their right and interest. As we Central Consumer Protection Authority deal with it. The Act proposes the establishment of the Central Consumer Protection Authority as a regulatory authority. We can say that they will protect and promote and enforce the rights of consumers and regulate cases related to unfair trade practices, misleading advertisements, and violation of consumer rights. Then we can say that they would be given wide-ranging powers also. They will have the right to take suo motu actions, recall products, order reimbursement of the price of goods, or we can say cancel the license, impose penalties, and file cases against whatever they think is not satisfactory. Then comes that they will have an investigation wing also to conduct independent inquiry or investigation into consumer law violations. Then we can talk about the redressal commission, that is Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. So we can say that the act has the provision of the establishment of Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission at the national, state, and district levels to entertain consumer complaints. We can say that as per the notified rules, the state commissions will furnish information to the central government on a quarterly basis on vacancies, disposal, the pendency of cases, and other matters. Entertain complaints regarding overcharging or deceptive charging, unfair or restrictive trade practices, sale of hazardous goods and services which may be hazardous to life, or we can say sale of defective goods or services. So this was all about rights to consumers and their redressal, and about the Consumer Protection Act. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, put a thumbs up on this video, and also check out my previous videos. And also if you have any query regarding it, then mention it in the comment box. And this does not solicit any promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India. It is for educational purpose only. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel XPIL. Thank you.